procrastination just stems from perfectionism. Like you're trying to be a perfectionist, and that's that's one of those things where it's a saying, and I can't remember which book out of I got at least 200 books, as you can see. This shelf right here, I'm about to I got my other books. I'm just trying to order it properly, but anyways, besides the point, I read somewhere in a book they said that build the plane on the way down. And that's the best course of action that you guys can take, right? And I'm talking to you, bro, the aspiring entrepreneur out there that's working 9 to 5. You put in a whole bunch of hours at work, and then you get outside of work. And what do? You do more work. You don't mess around with your time doing frivolous things, trivial things. That's not going to get you to where you want in life. So this is for you, of course. So somebody like yourself, you might want to always wait until it's the perfect ideal thing. You want to be 95% sure. You want to be 99% certain before you take that leap, what they call it, leap of faith. But sometimes, sometimes what can occur is that we have to understand, and it's tricky, right? Because it's a gray area. It's a gray area with this thing called procrastination due to being a perfectionist. It's a gray area where is it analysis paralysis, or is it that what you're doing, you're just not ready enough for it? And I'm going to tell you this, man. The people that that's halfway ready but they take action on things, they always get further than the person that's waiting to be perfect, right? Like me, for example. Take me, man. I mean, I'm a living example right now for it. I'm not just talking out the side of my neck. Look at my subscriber count, man, and shout out to you guys for this, man. I couldn't do it without y'all, but I got 2,000 subscribers in under a year. And you know, it's natural. I just had a voice crack. You know, it's natural to always compare yourself to like the biggest YouTubers. And then to me, I'm like, man, I'm such a small YouTuber. But if you look it up on the internet, I'm like a 8%. I'm like part of the 10%ers of YouTubers that has, you know, over 2,000 subscribers. Most YouTubers do not get to this. Most people get discouraged. And I'm gonna say one of those things is they get into this YouTube game just like how I did. I'm guilty of it too. My very first video was painful. It was pre-recorded. It's no longer on my channel anymore, but maybe one of these days when we can look back a year, 3 years, 5 years from now, I'll post it back up there when we can all laugh about it. But man, I was doing multiple takes on the same topic and things like that. But if you looked at like my earlier videos, man, they were not perfect at all. They were not perfect at all. And I still was able to amass 2,000 subscribers. Now, people might credit that to other things, but nah, man, like if you look at it, my my audio wasn't the best. My lighting wasn't the best. My video structures wasn't the best. Like I wasn't necessarily like the best storyteller and things like that. You know what I mean? That wasn't the case, man. But you know what I did do? I took action. And if you guys are new to this channel, if you notice, I probably had actually like 130 or 150. I had probably an extra, I don't know, 50 or 60 long form videos on this channel, but I just marked them as unlisted for the time being, because it's going to be a time when I want to repurpose those videos and just do them better. But see, what did I start with first? I said no to procrastination. I wasn't trying to be a perfectionist. I just said, okay, it was epiphany. I'm like, look, I just need to get this content out of here, because this is what one of my mentors tell me, and I'm giving y'all this as well. One of my mentors told me this. He was like, hey, Hef, when you're doing anything in life and you're starting anything, it's going to be tough in the beginning. That's just how it goes. But he said that what his mentor told him is this: you're gonna suck. You're gonna suck at first, but a year from now, you're gonna be way better. You're gonna suck way less. Or do you want to try to be perfect for a whole year and then come trying to do something and you still suck anyways? So during my whole like rise in YouTube, so to speak, to get to 2,000 subscribers in under a year, bro, I sucked the whole way. Like, I'm self-aware enough to tell you that I sucked the whole way, but I'm doing it and I'm taking action. And this is why I'm getting back to this point about procrastinating. So some of you guys out there have these business models, or you got these entrepreneurial pursuits that you're thinking of, but you're not acting on. The best step is always the first step, right? We have to stop waiting for the perfect opportunity, because even when you think about people that major in business, they go to college for business and things like that. Well, if business was just such a thing where, how can I say it? It was super structured where this is all you have to do. These are the hard numbers, then everybody will be successful. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm in contact with a couple guys that make, six figures like monthly or whatnot, and they have some elite systems that they do have hard numbers like that, but that wasn't something learned through like formal schooling, right? Anyways, to get back to the topic, procrastination is never gonna benefit you when you're trying to be an entrepreneur. You have to take a leap of faith. You have to just put yourself out there. And that's one of the scariest things to do, is putting yourself out there and being exposed. Like right now, man, once again, it's easy to look at somebody that's on live, but can you get on live and teach a class? And another thing, like I got one person in there. Hey, what's up, whoever watching? Just say hey or whatever. I got one person watching, and this one person is probably not ever about to tell me good morning or what's up. Am I heard about that? No, they might be busy right now, but once again, like, it's just me on this camera that's about to talk for about an hour trying to educate you guys. Like, this isn't something that's easy, but it's always the things that make you uncomfortable that's gonna really make you better for yourself. Okay, go on my top. Okay, cool. Y'all know that'd be like the worst feeling when you drop a top and then this part, hold on, and then it's like this part right here touch the surface. It touched like that, man. So we good to go. I don't know if I'm the only one that be having that thought. But anyways, let's get back to the topic. So procrastinating. You guys always wait to be perfect, man. It's never gonna be a perfect time. You just gotta act. You just have to act. It's the people that take action that's gonna always get more results. They done a study, man. My guy was talking about this. They did a study. When did it come out? But it was pretty much these photographers, and they were like, hey, it was like two groups of students or whatnot. It was the photographer that waited like 3 months to come up with like one like perfect photo in their eyes, and then there was the ones that knew like, hey, this ain't perfect, but we about to like keep spitting out all these photos for the daily for like 3 months or whatever. And what they came up with was that second group, the group that just took action, became way better photographers and had way more quality work, man, because of the quantity. And that's what I want to tell y'all too, because I know that's always a thing. We always say quality over quantity, but the thing with quality over quantity, you only gonna get that when you lead with quantity first. And that's what people don't tell you, because it's a numbers game. You have to lead with volume first. You have to build the plane on the way down. You have to start with the volume first. And then as you're developing and you're refining your skills as you go. And that's the best way to do it, because you're getting real time. You're getting loud neighbor, man. Oh my goodness. But you're getting real time feedback, and that's important. So procrastination, one of the bullet points we just touched on was, what was we just talking about? Trying to be perfect. Trying to be perfect. This is going to set you back so bad. It's so tough, man. And what's another one? being trying to be perfect, waiting on the right time to do this and that. Another thing that's going to stop you from procrastination. We kind of touched on it last live, but I'll touch on it again. Is distractions. Distractions, right? And this goes back into like environment, right? If you around a social circle that all they want to do is party 24/7 every other weekend or every weekend and things like that, then this can happen. Like I have a friend, man. This is my guy, man. His birthday just passed maybe like a week and a half ago, right? And that's kind of how he is, man. He a partier, man. And when I was younger, I was on the same time with him, just partying. See, I'm coming on here and I'm telling you about things like, bro, I'm human too. Like I had these same epiphanies in life, just like you guys right now watching this, and I just noticed like, hey, why why am I not where I want to be in life? And the reason why I wasn't where I wanted to be at life, I had to do some introspection and say, well, I'm spending too much time partying. If I'm spending all this time partying, there's no way. It's only so much time in a day. It's only so much time in a day. And when you look at how other like elite individuals use their time in a day, it makes a world of difference, man. Most of us, if you're doing it like a 9 to 5 or you're working 10-hour shifts, 12-hour shifts, really you only got 4 hours of free time when you get home. 4 hours of free time because you're gonna sleep. Let's say you're gonna sleep 8 hours. Let's say you're doing 10-hour shifts, but you get up 2 hours before or an hour before the shift, and then the commute home is 30 minutes to an hour. We you can easily spend 12 to 14 hours a day just trying to go to work, get your sleep in, and then go on to work. So we can mess off. Oh, well, yeah, 14 at work, eight sleeping. Man, so bro, and the math is that serious. Really, the only free time you have a lot of times is probably max 4 hours when you get home. And then if you really in that grind mode, probably 2 hours. That's what I'm telling you guys. And then once you have your so-called off days and you have these whole days to yourself, what are you doing now? You're probably cleaning your house, which is a good thing, right? Clean environment, clean mind. Clear environment, clear mind, right? So doing things like that, and then you're also running errands, or you're probably like cooking for like 2 or 3 days worth of food and leftovers. You're getting all your errands out the way, folding clothes, yada yada yada. You're making errands to your grandma's house, your granddad's house, grandparents' house. You're picking this kid up from soccer practice. You're doing this. Now, how much time do you have? If you're not aware of the time you have, then you need to get to Philosopher Paradise. I have a free course, the Discipline Starter Kit, right now, and it's going to teach you how to go about structuring your day on this organization software. That's where I go over that over there. Oh man, I'm sorry. I'm just keep looking at the time because I'm on a tight schedule, man. Because what I want to do is whoever was in this live stream, they did drop off. But when I do these lives, just know every time this is going to be a reoccurring thing, guys. I want to get on YouTube live every Sunday, like I said, 8 o'clock in the morning EST time, and do these live streams. And then of course you guys can engage with me and ask me questions. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to help. We can chop it up, and then right after, same thing at 9 a.m. EST for an hour over in my free community, Philosopher's Paradise, over in school. You can download the app right now. We're gonna talk. We can talk like one-on-one. I don't care if we the only person in there. It's gonna be me and you chopping it up, man. Really trying to get your life together, man. Hey, let me help you. Let me help you help me. No, hey, how I go? I want to help you. Help me help you. That's how I go. My bad. But anyways, we're gonna be over there, man, for an hour. So if it's just me and you, or it's 5 people, hey, we're gonna talk this out as a group. Get you guys together, man. That's gonna be so fun. And see, I'm so excited for this, man, because this is the beginning stages of this, man. Me getting on these lives, me building up like the live chat and everything like that to get engagement. Like I understand how this go, man. Like, and I'm so comfortable. I'm so comfortable with knowing how this goes. I'm sucking at this at first, right? It goes right back to procrastination. You know, I know this ain't perfect. I'm eliminating distractions. I'm on the time schedule. I didn't make any excuses today and why I shouldn't be here at 8 o'clock this morning. I was here at 8 o'clock this morning, but I was having like audio trouble, and then YouTube was playing with my thumbnail. And y'all know that's the main thing that make people click videos is the thumbnail. And I'm like, man, I'm almost about to spend 10 minutes messing around with this thumbnail. So I'm like, you know what? Skip that. This ain't gotta be perfect. Let me get right into my next subject matter, you know?